Welcome to the channel, guys. So today our topic is what is the variables in Java and what are the constants in Java. So a variable is a name given to the memory location where we store data in a program. Value stored in a variable can be changed during a program execution. That's why it is called as variable. In simple words, we can say that a variable is like a container which holds the data in a program and its value can be updated anytime in a program. So how to declare a variable? Just define a data type, then variable name and then value assigned to the variable. Example, you can see here are the example. Some key points are variables can store numbers, text, characters and many more. Next point is variables must have data type. It is mandatory because without data type we can't define a variable in Java. Next, variables are int, double, string and there are many more variables in Java. Variables values can be reassigned. We already told you. Example, age is equals to 25. So variable data type is integer. So what are constants in Java? A constant is a variable only whose value cannot change after it is assigned. We see we can change the value of variable anytime in a program, but in the case of constant, we cannot change the value of variable. It says fixed throughout the program. In Java, constants are created using a final keyword. In simple words, we can say that a constant is a value that never changes. How to declare a constant? Just start with a keyword that is final, decide a data type and define it, assign a constant name and assign the value to the constant. Example, you can see here the example. Here the value cannot be changed, fixed value, because the value of pi is universally accepted. Trying to change it will cause an error, of course. If you want to change the value of a constant, then it shows you error. Some key points: constant must use final keyword. Without final keyword, we cannot define a constant in Java. Constant cannot be modified because if you want to modify the constant, then it shows error. Often written in uppercase for readability. It is not mandatory to write in uppercase. Just for readability, write a constant name in uppercase for your use of case. So this is all about variables and constants. You can see the summary of variables and constants here. Thank you and have a nice day. So this is all about today's topic. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye.